Can I install any APK on my LG Smart TV?
Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to install APKs on your LG Smart TV. We will be tackling the ins and outs of this process, providing clear instructions to make it as straightforward as possible. Remember, not all APKs are compatible with every smart TV, so bear this in mind as we progress through the guide.
What is an APK?
To begin with, it's essential to understand what an APK is. APK stands for Android Package Kit, and it's the file format that Android uses for its apps. In essence, an APK is the package that includes everything an app needs to run on your device.
Is my LG Smart TV compatible with APKs?
Before you start the process, it's critical to know whether your LG Smart TV can actually run APKs. LG Smart TVs typically run on WebOS, not Android, which means they do not natively support APKs. However, there are workarounds, like installing an Android emulator, but these can be complex and are not recommended for the average user due to potential security risks.
Can I install an Android emulator on my LG Smart TV?
Installing an Android emulator on your LG Smart TV is technically possible, but it's not a straightforward process, and it comes with some risks. Android emulators can open your TV up to potential security threats and may not work correctly, leading to a poor user experience. It's also worth noting that this is not a process supported by LG, and it could potentially void your warranty.
What are the alternatives?
If you're looking to expand the capabilities of your LG Smart TV, there are safer and easier alternatives to installing APKs. For example, you can explore the LG Content Store, which offers a wide range of apps designed specifically for your TV. Alternatively, you can use a device like a Chromecast or Fire TV Stick, which allows you to run Android apps on your TV without any additional complications or risks. In conclusion, while it is technically possible to install APKs on an LG Smart TV, it's not a recommended process due to potential security risks and compatibility issues. Instead, consider using the LG Content Store or an external device like a Chromecast to access additional content. We hope this guide has been helpful and thank you for watching.